What's up? It's your boy Mikey Will here. We're doing a Grombeardo oil pump install.
You just have to move this rear set a little bit. So you're gonna take this bottom bolt out and then loosen this so that you can wiggle it out of your way.
Alright, so you're taking off the right rear set. Yep. Pop the nuts off, take the nuts and bolts off of the exhaust bracket mounts. Even though they're really never on there, but they're on there. But the second thing up, you got to take the clutch little cable out of the little housing. Not housing, but like the little, you know. All right, so you're going to take the crankcase cover off. Yep, hit it with a mallet because after you get the bolts out, they're very long. Make sure you get them out. Try not to cross thread them. It's going to take a little bit of effort, a little bit of force. Make sure you do not bust that gasket. You do not want to mess that up. And if you do, it's a Grom. You'll be all right. But, so right now, taking out the old oil pump. It's only 3 bolts.
When you get this out, there's a dowel right here. And the dowel comes on the new one. So you want to make sure you don't have 2 dowels.
Alright, now it's time to put the official Grombeardo oil pump in.
This one didn't come with a new dowel.
Alright, those are the 2 dowel holes. Those are the 2 bolt up holes. And there it is. It's in there. All you gotta do is put the bolts in, the same bolts that you had in your bike previously. Put them right back. Everything should fit snug. And you just go ahead and tighten everything down. You're gonna feel everything for any type of play, any type of craziness, because you want it to be free. You want it to spin freely. You do not want it to be aggressive and or rough. And you just put your case back on, and all of this you can obviously do it with draining the oil. We just tilted the bike on the side so none of the oil spilled, and just like that, we're done. It only took around 30 to 45 minutes, adding on another 10 minutes for like stopping and going for recording video. But that's it, guys. Nothing too crazy. The hardest part is probably taking that clutch cable off. That was a 2-man job. I really wish we could have shown that, but it is what it is. And put your rear set back on, put your exhaust clamp back on, and it's pretty simple, guys. Don't mind my bald tire, but there it is. Shout out to Tony for coming through. I was hurt when we were doing this, so it made things a lot smoother for me. But I want to make this video to remind anyone else and anyone else that needs help. Make sure you drop a subscribe, like, and comment. We got more content coming soon. Peace.